What's up, you guys? Welcome back and welcome if you're new. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the Pittman Outdoors Comet rooftop tent. You guys have probably seen my soft top rooftop tent. You guys have seen the other hardshell rooftop tent which I had on my roof. And in today's video, as I stated, it's going to be the Pittman Outdoors rooftop tent. It's their Comet version. I know a bunch of you guys have been asking me what this is and why it's so big. And in today's video, I'm going to be answering your guys' question on that, why it's so large. I'm also going to be showing you exactly how to open it up. And I'm going to give you guys a walk around and just show you guys the features and what's inside and how it looks. So let's get into the video and I'll show you guys. So the reason why this thing is actually so big, and I got a whole bunch of questions asked about it, basically this one, it just opens straight up. So that's the reason of the size versus the other rooftop tents. They actually open up to the side, which allows it to be a little bit more compact. But as far as for this one, the size you actually get is the size that it is inside, since it does open up. That being said, this rooftop tent would actually be for someone maybe that has an SUV or maybe a full-size truck or even just a long bed Tacoma, or it doesn't matter what it is. That way it kind of fits a little better. As far as for me, my Tacoma is a 5-foot bed, which is a little bit on the smaller side. That's the reason why it sticks out so much. So now I'm going to go ahead and show you just exactly how to open this thing up, and then you're going to see. This is actually probably one of the easiest rooftop tents I've ever opened up, and you guys are going to see this with me. Let's get to it. You're going to notice right here there is like a strap. There is going to be two on each side. So there's one here, one in the back, which I'll show you in a minute, and then there's going to be two on the opposite side. So looking at the little latch right here, you're going to notice I'm going to just kind of pull it off to the side so you guys can see what I'm talking about. But right underneath here there is like a little push button. Once you push it in, it kind of releases this rope, as you can tell. So now that it's loose, there actually is a little latch in here. You pull in like towards the inside of the truck and it releases it. So this is the push button I was talking about, and then there's the little pole right here which is latched in to the bottom of the tent. So once it's released, it looks like this. Let's go ahead and do the rest of them, and then we'll show you guys how it opens up. But as I said, this is probably one of the easiest rooftop tents to open up and to close up. So if you guys do end up wanting it, it's going to be in the description box below. So I'm going to go ahead and push this button, open this up a little, it releases it, and you unlock just like that. Let's do the rest of them. Now let me go ahead and show you the next step. So if you are by yourself, it is possible. That's the cool thing about it. Right here, you can go ahead and push up just like that, and it does have shocks inside, and it opens up just like that. This piece here, you do want to make sure to have it handy, because it is going to help you to close it up later on when we do go to that step. But for now, you can kind of leave it hanging or anything like that. And then you want to go on the front side of the tent, which is over here, and you're going to do the same thing. As I said, by yourself you can do it. If you have someone else, of course it'll be a lot easier. But there you go, just like that. And there you got your rooftop tent. So the next step, let me show you. Alright, so once you guys are in this step, which as you guys saw, it was so easy to actually open this thing up, and it does have shocks inside, which I'll show you guys in a minute once we're inside. But once you have it open like that, if it's your guys' first time opening it, you just bought it, all your hardware and stuff is going to be inside, including your rods, which are going to keep this up, and then your ladder will be in here, a couple other tools if needed. First things first, I'm going to go ahead and pull out my ladder. So the cool thing about this ladder is it has a hook right here and a hook right here. And you're going to notice in every entrance, because there is two entrances, one on this side and one on the opposite side, it's going to have a little latching point right there where you're going to go ahead and put your ladder. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up right now, and then we'll get to the next step. So now that I have it all opened up in here, I have everything set up. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the inside of here. Some of you guys may like it, some of you guys may not. In my personal opinion, this is luxury. Let me go ahead and show you guys really quick. So coming right in, you're gonna notice, we're gonna step to the right side first. So of course, the opening was here where we came in from. There was gonna be two openings, one there and the one we came in from. So looking right here, let me go ahead and turn the lights on. So looking right there in that section, you're gonna notice there is a humongous zipper right there. And then there's that and that. these two rod poles right there, whatever you want to call it, are the actual shocks. And if we get closer, you're going to notice what Pittman Outdoor actually did is they put some cloth right here, which is kind of like insulation, and that way you don't get hurt, and it also makes it look really nice. Focusing on that zipper we saw, I'm going to go ahead and open it up, and you're going to notice it actually has a really big window, and it has two. It's going to be one on this side, of course, that I'm opening up right now, and there is another one on the opposite side. So view is actually pretty big on this one. Just looking up right here, you're going to notice there is a little strip right there all along the way. That, what it actually is an LED light, so that way whenever you guys are camping at nighttime, it does have a USB right here, so you guys can get maybe a portable battery or anything like that, hook it up, and it turns on. I actually forgot my Jackery, or else I would show you guys. It's actually pretty bright. Notice there is a little pocket here you can put your storage in, and then also over here you're going to notice there is one more, which is also storage. So that's an awesome feature that they actually put in here. So now looking at the opposite side, you're going to notice there is those two things once again, which those two are also shocks. So another thing you're going to notice is right here on the top, there is another LED strip. So whenever you do actually hook these up, which as I stated, it is a USB powered LED, these things are actually pretty bright. I wish I could show you guys, but I forgot my Jackery. Actually see it from both angles, so there will be a window there. If you wanted to actually close this up but leave that open, it does have the netting right here. You can go ahead and zip it up, and then that will be covered so the flies don't come in at night, of course. Another cool feature that I wanted to show you guys, and I have to lay down to show you. So looking up right here on the roof, there actually is a netting. So basically what this netting can do, you can go ahead and put your shoes up there, you can put your phone up there, you can probably even put an iPad right up here and watch movies at night, just like that, and enjoy the view, and right here watch some movies. So I thought that was a pretty cool feature. Notice all along the whole roof there actually is insulation as well. So if you touch it, it actually feels nice, and it's insulated for weather, of course. So that is awesome that they did that as well. And now looking down here, which is like the main feature that some people really care about, which is the mattress that it comes with. This mattress is like a memory foam, and like when you're laying down, I can't explain it, but when you're laying down, it kind of leaves your imprint, as you can tell. Look at that. Damn. So this one's like super comfy. Let me do that again. Damn, check that out, you guys. So it's basically gonna form to your body, so it will be really comfortable at night. Whether it's hot or cold, you guys will be good with this. It is only for two people, as you guys can tell. I'm laying down here, and there will be one person here as well. So this is only a 2-person tent. Even then though, it actually does have a lot of room. You could probably fit one more like baby in here or something like that. But keep that in mind. This is a pop-up tent, so whatever size you get for your pop-up tent, it's going to be the size inside. That's what I was talking about when I was stating that. So let me go ahead and give you guys a little walk around from the outside, and if you guys want to buy it, it's going to be in the description box below. Let's do it. Now that we're outside, I wanted to go ahead and give you guys a quick walk around how it looks. So on the truck, when it's fully opened up, it looks freaking awesome. As I stated, I would probably recommend this more for like an SUV, or maybe even a long bed truck, or just a full-size truck, since they do have bigger beds. Even then, it looks awesome, and this is what I was talking about. It has 2 points of entry. Of course, the ladder is on the opposite side, but it also has the latches right here and right here, so you can go ahead and put the ladder there and come in from there. Or if you want to just close this up right here, you have it so that way the flies don't get in, which is pretty cool. Now walking onto the other side over here, it is closed up now, but when it is fully open, the window would be this whole section here. And as I stated, in the front there is going to be another window, which I showed you guys when we were inside. And looking on the opposite side over here, this is basically the point of entry that I ended up choosing. Here is the ladder, and you climb in, and same thing, it has the mosquito and fly protection that you can go ahead and zip down. And if you want to go ahead and close this up, you can close it up as well, so that way you're not cold at night. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys fully open like that. And of course over here you're not going to be able to see it because I do have it closed up once again, but right here is going to be the other full window that I showed you guys from the inside. So just walking around looking at it, as you can tell, it's awesome. And now to put it away, it only takes a couple seconds. Of course, if you have 2 people with you, it'll be a lot easier to close it up. But regardless of that, it's easy to do by yourself. Go check out their website. You could choose your own color. I believe they have like crazy colors, like even orange and stuff like that. But yeah, this is going to do it for today's video, you guys. It was also really easy to install. It is just clamped onto the bottom of my bed rail. That simple, nothing too hard. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget, if you guys want to purchase a shirt, check out the description box below. I left my email. You can go ahead and email me. Let me know your size. See you guys next time. Peace.